Hi guys, to receive this 3-in-1 foldable wireless charging stand with MagSafe for repairing purposes, I'm going to open it. It includes obviously the user manual. You can see it rotates, so it's really nice. As you can see, it's nice. In here is for the MagSafe charging for your iPhone. In the back part we've got for the iWatch, and in here in this part for your AirPods. Okay, so it also includes a cable so you can connect it to the energy. It's nice. You connect it right here, and in here we've got an LED to show it's charged. Okay, so I've got the Apple iPhone 15 in here. I'll start placing all the things. My AirPods right here, and my Apple Watch. So I'm gonna connect it in back because I've got there the charging port. I'm gonna get a cube. So I'm gonna first place my watch. You can see immediately it starts charging, and I'm gonna set the iPhone, and also start charging. You can set it this way, or you can set it on the other way, like this. So it's really nice, and you can turn it and everything. So it's a really nice charging stand for your Apple devices, and I would really recommend it. See ya!